every single day if you're still waiting to trade in your car. Most people don't realize they waited too long until the trade value drops. The truth is, there are usually signs that tell you to make a move before it happens. So today, I'm sharing you 5 signs it's time to trade in your car. Sign number 1, your trade value is dropping. This is probably the biggest reason why you should trade in sooner rather than later. Every mile you drive, every month that passes, every year your vehicle ages can impact your trade-in value. A lot of people think they'll just wait one more year, but that means less money. If you're looking into trading in your vehicle, right now is the perfect moment to check out what's worth before the value drops even more. Sign number 2, expensive repairs are coming. Another major sign is when repairs start getting expensive. Maybe your car needs new tires, brakes, or even bigger repairs. You have to ask yourself if it's worth it to keep investing money into an aging car that's losing value. Sometimes getting a new vehicle is the best move. Sign number 3, your warranty is about to expire. Many drivers overlook this one. Once your factory warranty expires, you're responsible for any repairs. That's why a lot of people decide to trade in while they're still covered. Sign number 4, your life has changed. Maybe your family has grown, maybe your commute is longer, or maybe you just need more space, more fuel efficiency. If your vehicle doesn't fit your lifestyle anymore, it's time to start exploring something that actually does. Sign number 5, you don't trust it anymore. Here's the simplest sign of all. If you're constantly listening to strange noises, worrying about warning lights, or just wondering if your car will make it through the next road trip, that's a big issue. Your vehicle should give you confidence, not stress. If you've lost trust in your car, it may be time to move on before you're forced to. Even if you don't trade today, it's good to know the value of your car so you can make a more informed decision. Stop by, let us take a look at your car, and remember, we'll buy your car for cash even if you don't buy a new vehicle from us. Stop by Toyota of Clermont off of Florida Turnpike on State Road 50.